Tropic movement in plants. Plants have the ability to react on external factors, though their responses are typically gradual, involving growth or directional changes. When a plant organ grows directionally due to an external factor like light, touch, or gravity, it's referred to as tropism. Growth that is oriented towards the stimulus is termed positive tropism, while growth directed away from the stimulus is known as negative tropism. The way the plant moves is influenced by the source and direction of the stimulus. Such movements predominantly appear in elongated plant parts, such as stems and roots. Below are various kinds of tropic responses and their respective triggers. Phototropism, geotropism, hydrotropism, thigmotropism, chemotropism. Phototropism. Photo means light and tropism means turning. Phototropism is the phenomenon by which the plant bends in the direction of light. If a plant organ grows towards the light source, this is termed positive phototropism. This behavior is commonly observed in stems, leaves, and flower stalks as they lean towards the light. Conversely, when the plant organ grows away from the light, it exhibits negative phototropism. This is typically seen in roots, which tend to grow away from light sources. Geotropism. During the early stages of plant growth, such as when a seed sprouts, distinct patterns of growth are observed. The shoot extends upward, reaching for the air, while the root pushes downward, anchoring into the ground. This directional growth pattern in response to Earth's gravitational pull is termed geotropism. Specifically, the downward growth of the roots, aligned with gravity, is an example of positive geotropism. Conversely, the upward growth of the shoot, opposing gravity, exemplifies negative geotropism. In simpler words, roots display positive geotropism by growing downwards. Shoots exhibit negative geotropism by growing upwards. Thus, gravity always acts from below. It provides the stimulus that causes the roots' growth towards the center of the earth. This ensures that, upon germination, roots anchor into the soil to absorb nutrients, while shoots strive to access sunlight for photosynthesis. Hydrotropism. Hydrotropism refers to the way a plant's part reacts to the presence of water or moisture. This reaction can lead to the plant part curving or changing direction, either towards or away from the water source. As an illustration, when a plant root detects humid conditions, it will naturally bend towards an area with higher humidity. The initiation of hydrotropism begins when the root cap senses water. If the plant part gravitates towards the moisture, it's termed a positive response. Conversely, if it moves away from the moisture, it's considered a negative response. Thigmotropism. Thigmotropism refers to the plants when they come into contact with a solid object. For climbing plants like peas, cucumbers, or bitter gourd, their tendrils coil around the object they touch, seeking support. Initially, these tendrils move or bend trying to find a surface to grasp. Chemotropism. Chemotropism refers to how plant parts move or grow in reaction to chemical stimulus. One instance of this can be seen when the pollen tube grows because of sugars found in a plant's stigma and style. Additionally, nitrifying bacteria can fix nitrogen because they're stimulated by substances in the root nodules of plants like legumes. Likewise, the tentacular hairs of the sundew leaf move in reaction to the nitrogen-rich compounds from the insects they trap. Learning outcomes. Growth is a critical trait in living organisms, particularly in plants, which can continuously grow throughout their lifespan. Plant growth regulators, PGRs, also known as plant hormones or phytohormones, play a vital role in influencing growth-related functions. PGRs are categorized into hormones that stimulate growth, Group A, and those that inhibit growth, Group B. Notable phytohormones include auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, abscisic acid, and ethylene, each with distinct physiological effects. Auxins promote cell stretching, replication, root formation, and other growth processes. Gibberellins stimulate stem growth, counteract dwarfism, and affect flowering and fruit development. Cytokinins encourage cell division, growth, differentiation, and aging delay in plants. Abscisic acid hinders growth, influences seed dormancy, and regulates stomata to reduce water loss. Ethylene plays a role in sideways growth, fruit ripening, and flowering in certain plants. Plants respond to external factors through tropisms, such as phototropism, light, geotropism, gravity, hydrotropism, water, thigmotropism, touch, and chemotropism, chemicals. Phototropism involves directional growth towards or away from light.